British Parliament holds a debate on farm laws and press freedom in India. In Afghanistan, 20 security forces members have been killed in fighting in 5 provinces. Turkey says it is ready to take part in mediation effort for peace in Afghanistan and the region. Russia will host a 3-day conference in Moscow on the peace process in Afghanistan from the 18th of this month. In Tunisia, 39 migrants died when 2 boats sank off the Tunisian coast. Myanmar security forces target striking railway workers. Iran says it is ready for exchanging all the prisoners with the United States. In Pakistan, educational institutions remain closed in Islamabad, Peshawar and 7 cities of Punjab for 2 weeks.